Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best metal detectors in 2023. I made this list based on my personal opinion and are trying to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. Number 5. Minelab GPX 6000. Advanced technology precisely analyzes gold signals while eliminating competing ground signals to help you detect gold more clearly. Small fragments to large nuggets and everything in between can be accurately located with this one detector. Number 4. Hazlewolke. The new user interface specially developed and designed for beginners with a large-size backlit LCD display, 50% larger than others, is more intuitive and easy to read. The silicone buttons that can be easily operated with one hand will not disappoint you in terms of pressing feel and sensing sensitivity. 5 optional modes, all metal, dis, memory, GULRI, pinpoint, give you endless exploration fun. Everything is to help you get started better. This is a waterproof metal detector with professional-grade performance. It could definitely satisfy your growing desire to explore until you find the gold that really belongs to you. The new search coil design in 2022 10-inch IP68 waterproof improves search range and detection depth, can locate a quarter coin up to 10 underground larger objects at even greater depths. The upgraded DSP chip provides a better signal processing capability. Number 3. Minelab Vanquish 540. Minelab's revolutionary technology combines the power of multiple detectors into one, allowing you to effectively search all metals, all soils, all the time. Number 2. Hazlewolke. You can accurately find the location of the metal according to the PP positioning of this metal finder. Holding the PP button, the display will show the depth to the target metal. It subdivides the target metal type into 8 levels. It will help you to distinguish the value of the target metal more accurately. This metal detector adopts the latest DSP chip technology and a special hardware multiplier, widely adopts pipeline operation, and provides special DSP instructions, which can be used to quickly implement various digital signal processing algorithms and achieve highest detection precision. Number 1. Sakobs. Pro Metal Detector Kit with 10 expanded search coil is so powerful, it can detect a quarter coin up to a depth of 10. IP68 waterproof technology enables you to start treasure hunter on beach, shallow water, underwater, shallow salt water, and land.